Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 7th of November. I'm your host, Vanessa Carby, a psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Scorpio, your channel message is the Emperor Temperance. So I'm getting you have tempered the Emperor, or maybe the Emperor is finally going to, come off of their throne, walk down to the sorry people section, and have a conversation, okay? But I'm getting the Emperor Temperance, like someone is tempered, or I'm getting someone is really down to earth, even though they're big shit, like Elon Musk. Would be like an Elon Musk type of vibe, you know what I'm talking about? They were like, yeah, everybody's voting for Camilla, but Elon Musk voting for Trump. Elon Musk was like, you think we're gonna win? Niggas, I send motherfucking space rockets to fucking space. Y'all earthlings really think y'all gonna motherfucking overthrow Trump? That's what the fuck Musk said. Musk said, look at these niggas. Musk said, look at these niggas. Look at these chicklets run up and down. Look at it, thinking that their votes matter. Sweetie, see, let me tell you something. I send rockets to fucking space. Y'all really think y'all motherfucking little votes? I can't now. What has she wants that? No, Missy Glorilla. I'm F-R-E-E, motherfucking free. That means I don't need another nigga cheating. I ain't see the white man there with the camera about the redneck white man there. This is some redneck white man, right? They are Trump, they are Camilla rally. I'm Missy Gorilla. I'm F-R-E-E, motherfucking free. That means I don't want to have to worry about a bitch nigga cheating. Even the white man, he had the camera and him do this. When she said nigga, he do this. Like she said, bitch nigga cheating, he do this. Elon Musk was like, bitch, really, bitch? Ain't that your friend? Ain't Camilla Harris your friend? Ain't that your friend? Elon Musk was like, niggas, I send rockets to space. How hard do you think it's going to be to make sure Trump win? You think Glorilla, Megan Thee Stallion, Oprah, you think that could have saved Kamala Harris? You're going up against a man who his biggest supporter send rockets to fucking space. And not only that, he worked with the Mexicans, the Spanish people so well that he built a blood clot case for the rocket for going up. You know, like you have a pencil case, you have a knife sheet. Okay, he built a fucking case for the blood clot rocket for going, and the rocket went to space, came back down and landed in the case. Why did you think Camilla would win? And to all you niggers out there, whoa, no, whoa, you can't be saying that, whoa, I can't say that, no, whoa, I'm Spanish. Yay! Okay, let's go ahead and go to reading. Let's go ahead. So, Scorpio, the Emperor Temperance, that's your channel messages. So let us see what your overall message is. It's a 3 of Cups. I'm getting celebration, Scorpio. Okay, but I won't lie, I love the women power. It was united, like all of the girls came out, it was lovely. It was a power, it was unity at its finest last night. Yesterday for Camilla. For the whole election, it was union, we loved it. But again, it is clear that America is not ready for a woman. Whether she did white and like Hillary, and I won't lie, people might think I am being fucked up. Hillary would have make a more experienced president than Kamala Harris. Her husband was in office, Bill Clinton. Even though Kamala Harris was an understudy for Biden, Clinton was actually helping. Clinton that run, you know, when Bill Clinton was in office, it's Hillary Clinton was running that, right? It wasn't Bill. I hope you know that. Great. Okay, cool. So whether she white like Hillary or she black like Camilla, no. And let's be honest, were we really going to be disrespectful and make Kamala Harris the first black female when we have not dragged Michelle Obama out of our seat yet? Did we really want to do that to America? I don't think Kamala would have been the best black woman to represent America. She is no Michelle Obama. I think that would be more of a strong stance to put, regardless or not. You thought she was a coconut who just dropped out of a coconut tree? Apparently she was. Nevertheless, all of the young people them love her. I love her. She's so nice. She's so hip. She's the nicest woman. But feelings does not apply here when it comes down to politics. It's what the people want. The people said they want Trump back then and they still want him now. It's what the people wanted. So at the end of 4 years, if the people are pissed, they should be pissed with themselves. Let's see who else they're going to point the finger at. Because you don't love make the people them voting people and then cuss. And don't make the people them take responsibilities of the decisions that they have made voting in a president. What them say them want. Nevertheless, we are glad that America is standing strong again. And we are glad that, no lie though, the last nigga who got an assassination attempt on him, he died. Trump got his ears almost shut the fuck off and now he won the fucking elections. You really thought he was going to beat a man who him advocate sends rockets to space. You thought you was going to beat that. Okay. You were looking for, we got what you looking for. Oh my gosh, Shakisha. Oh. Okay, let's go ahead and go to your reading. So we have the Three of Cups coming out first as your overall message. So that's celebration. And a lot of black men voted for Trump. Enough black man did vote for Trump. If you never know that. Be a black man vote for Trump. We have the Empress. Now, I remember, I don't want to say it. We have the Empress card coming out first. So we have Libra, or this could be Taurus. Again, it was a women's empower thing. It was a woman. It was a woman's thing. It was really women like, you know. I think people really wanted a woman to represent them. But they're not ready for that. That is okay. You don't have to be ready for it. It's okay. We already had a black president. I'm satisfied. I don't need to push these white people to keep accepting niggas. We got one already. We just need another one in office. But not now. So I'm getting the Empress. Didn't I post this on my wall 2 days ago before the elections, the Empress? Now I remember a very famous tarot reader. She's a Libra. 2 years ago, she already predicted Donald Trump would win. I don't know if anybody was. Now, she changed her name on social media. But 2 days ago, I posted this picture from community. This is a Libra Taurus. I remember a Libra who posted who would have been the winner. And she said it would have been Trump. Anyways, the Empress card coming out first. We have the Six of Wands. I'm getting a lot of... Now, if this is election, this could have been Kamala Harris. I'm getting women in love her, man. Women loved her. They loved her. They loved everything she stands for. And she was really just the epitome of what it was like to mingle with people when you're in office. We have the Chariot. So we have the Empress, the Six of Wands, and the Chariot. So I'm seeing you here. Either you're talking to some people or you're getting praise and all of a sudden police come shut it down. So you're having an event, me getting police that shut it down, or me getting something about the Empress is going to be there for her fans to see her. We need police there for actually control everything. Me getting this big celebration with women. Or something about the Queen is back. The Queen is here, the Queen is here, the Queen is back. And she's being chaperoned by police officers. We have the Ten of Swords. Oh, me getting something about the death of this woman. I'm seeing a woman here and she being celebrated. I don't know if she being celebrated by the police or me getting the Libra work with the police officer them, but me getting Ten of Swords. So me getting something about this tarot reader who make a prediction, she want Libra. Me getting the police was wrong, she was right. The Libra won the bet. Did they make a bet with some police officer? Me getting Libra, you win. You win the bet. The police officer them lose the bet. Now, unless they're going to use force for don't give you what you want or for try to lock you up. But yeah, you win the bet. You win it. I don't know if you said that Camilla was going to win. But me see you here being celebrated, and me see the police being called, and me see Ten of Swords. So either police is being called to shut down your shit, or me getting something about the... Just get some more. We have the Eight of Swords in the reverse. We have the Temperance. We have the Hangman. And we have the Nine of Swords. Let me go back to your message. Yeah, it was your message was the fuck I'm doing? I think Scorpio. I think I think Scorpio. It was the Emperor Temperance. I'm getting something about special abilities. I don't know if I feel like the police is the one who's trying to see if you have these abilities. Me getting one Libra terror reader, you're in a something with police officer. I don't know what you do, where you bet them, or where you tell them, say, me getting Libra, you's a terror reader, you make a bet with some police officers. You tell a police officer about this woman when you know. Me getting Libra, you make a bet with the police officer about this woman. Me getting you win the bet. The police, me getting you win against the police. That's what I'm getting. Now, again, I post this 2 days, the day before the election, I post this. So, I want to say that before Libra made the deal with the police officer, the Libra knew that the person was an empress. They knew the person was in the occult. Me getting the police lose though. That's what I'm getting, Libra. Because I remember the Libra, she changed her name and now I call her name. I don't know if she changed her name because she owe people money or why she changed her name. But she predicted Donald Trump would have won anyways. And she predicted that while Biden was still in office. She predicted he will get it back. I don't know what this is other than that. But I'm getting the bet with the police. I'm getting you're the Emperor Temperance. I'm getting you prove the Emperor wrong and believe you. Or I'm getting you win fair and square against a lot of. I'm getting you outnumbered and you still win. I have to take these secrets to the grave. Maybe friends, maybe more. Recording devices. One way and there is a ghost in my room. I'm gonna leave it here until next time. Bye.